Dear students, welcome to the online class of English language. The second topic is conjunction. Children, in the previous video, we did the definition of conjunction, how we can use some conjunctions, and exercise A. Now today in this video, we will do page number 90 and exercise C. So open your book to page number 90. Children, let's read these sentences. I am staying at home because it is raining. So children, clearly you can see that there is a reason in the sentence. So I am staying at home because the reason is that it is raining. So we have used because over here. Next, before you go, sign the register. So we use before earlier than the time. So clearly before going you have to sign the register. Next, although it was raining, I went out for a swim. So children, in spite of the fact that it was raining, I went out for a swim. Next, I'll wait outside while you lock the door. So we use while during the time. Alright? So I will wait outside during the time you lock the door. So instead of during the time you will use while. Next, call me when you reach the clock tower. So at that time. So call me at that time when you reach the clock tower. So you will use when over here as a conjunction. Next, can you call me after you have reached home? So you will use after subsequently to the time when. So can you call me once you have reached home? So in this case you will use after. Next, you have to decide whether you should study in the school or not. So while choosing one or the other, we use whether. Do you know where mom hid the cake? So children, while referring to a place, we use where. Next is, you will not pass unless you study hard. So we use unless when there is a condition. Okay, so children, please understand that these are conjunctions. These are words that join sentences, words or group of words. Alright? Similarly, if you finish your homework, we can go for a swim. So if is used in the event that you finish your homework, we can go for a swim. Next, I have lived in the city since I was 5. So since is used from the time when. So I have lived in the city since I was 5. Can you explain how you did this? So how is used in the place of the way in which a thing is done. Next, I want to do hotel management in order that I can become a chef. So, in order that I can is used in place of so that. Next, the puppy follows me wherever I go. Wherever is any place. Call me in case you have any problem. So, in case means on the condition that. I hope children you have understood. Now let's do exercise C. Now choose the correct option to complete each sentence. The first one is dash the doorbell rang, Snowy barked. So the options are if, when, whether. So the correct option is, children, I know you all know it. It is when. The second one is dash he leaves, ask him to meet me. The options are after, although, before. And the correct option is C, before. Next, dash we were at the restaurant, it rained. The options are while, where, after. And the correct option is while we were at the restaurant, it rained. Next, I am not sure dash I should go to Paris or to Greece. The options are unless, while, whether. And the correct option is whether. I am not sure whether I should go to Paris or to Greece. The next one is dash he came from school, he has been sleeping. The options are while, where, since. And the correct option is since. Since he came from school, he has been sleeping. Next, they stopped playing dash it started raining. The options are whether, unless, because. And the correct option is because. Next, Moshmi is thin dash she does not work out. The options are unless, although, after. And the correct option is although. Next, we are going to lose this match dash a miracle saves us. And the options are unless, when, how. And the correct option is unless. Next, dash you don't find the way, call me. And the options are while, in case, in order to. And the correct option is in case. Children, please note that we will not be doing the 10th sentence, so you can just put a cross over there. The 11th sentence is this is the place dash Netaji lived. The options are when, wherever, where. And the answer is where. This is the place where Netaji lived. Children, the 11th sentence would become your 10th sentence. Alright? Now children, please note 12, 13, 14 and 15 you will do in your rough register. So children, exercise A 1 to 10 and exercise C 1 to 10 you will do in your classwork copy. I will be posting the classwork copy instructions separately, so you don't have to worry. You only have to follow the instructions carefully. Thank you.